Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can blend two videos in Kinemaster. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have edited my first video to this Kinemaster project and I'm going to add the second video. I'm going to select media from here and I'm going to select video from the video asset. For example, I'm going to choose this video. And wait, let me cut my first video to make the process faster. I'm going to click on my first video and I'm going to split it, trim right like this. Okay, and for the second video, wait, let me adjust the size of the video. Okay, make it like this to fit the screen. And then to blend the video, you're going to select your second video and you're going to select the blending feature, and here you can choose the blending feature or the blending mode that you like. And for me, I'm just going to choose the screen and I'm going to reduce the opacity. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to blend videos in Kinemaster. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.